Welcome to the final part of building your first application. So far, we have created types, sections and elements, all managed in the data model. Then part 2 went on to look at the logic and interface layers. To start part 3, we'll look at indexing. Here we can see our application. If we select Add Person, you'll notice that the record is split into 2 sections, with basic details on the left tab and home contact information on the right. We can add some test data here to try out the application. You may want to list and open that record. Here you will notice that when we list it, there are no values displayed in the heading. If we return to the application itself and edit the type, we can add a series of indexes, which will allow us to search the database quickly by the fields we select and also determine the headings which are displayed when the data type is listed, and also as a link. In this case, we'll select first name, surname, date of birth and reference. We then update the indexes. In order to refresh the definition of the application, to display the changes we have just made, we open the Application Management section of the builder and purge the cache. Now if we return to the application, we can now see the elements that are presented here with the listed headings. You will notice on the left-hand side of the access list, we can see this information is also being presented as a link. We can change the view type from being unsecure, with no login required, to a secure view. As a result, the old URL will no longer work without publishing a new secure URL. On the user types layer, we'd select user types and add an admin user type, and then go into users to set up a username and password. Once we've entered those details, we can refresh the application's definition by purging the cache. We simply copy the application URL into the browser and log in. Now we've gone through the basics of building your first application. Thank you for listening.